What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know this is a weird way of starting this video, but since I didn't film intro, figured I would do it right now. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I did try a new GoPro mount for this video. It's actually a clip on top of my hat, and literally the GoPro is right on my forehead, so it's kind of really funny looking, but hopefully it gives you guys a good perspective. Anyway, this video is just some random car stuff I did. Just visited my friend Nick in York, and also hung out with my friend Andy, and we checked out his FB20 Sedan, which, you know, there's also this sedan version of this car, and I figured I would show you guys some different cars on this channel, since I'm sure my car gets boring after a while. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoy. I'm gonna go edit this video right after I film this intro, and yeah. Can you like back in there?
Back in?
Yeah, back, dude. Back in would be sick, man. See my car. Oh, you gotta go this way a lot. Yeah. So here we have Nick's Impreza, and he's the first guy to rock this plate. 22B. So this is 100% a new 22B, first one in PA. How do you feel about having the first 22B?
I wish it was faster.
It was faster. What's in that, man? Well, what do you have in there?
That's only a 1.8 liter EJ118, 110 factory brake horsepower.
But this is how you spot a fraud, guys. You got this man like Nick.
Ooh.
They got this. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. So what else you got done to this thing, man?
Just on STI, pink springs and struts, factory brakes for the time being, sway bars front and rear. It's running their 15x6 Subaru Legacy wheels with Toyo R1R tires, 205 50/15s, I believe.
Oh, good. I mean,
so yeah, just little stuff. Trying to get it back to its former glory. An already quick release and WRX seats.
Oh yeah, I can't forget those details there. Look at this man, the steering wheel and the dash. Yeah.
I got 1,000,001 parts at home in the garage, but like I just need the time to put them on.
Sure, yeah, I saw it firsthand, you know.
So it actually will be getting. I have some Bilstein PSS9s to go on, and I'm looking to do a big brake kit, at least in the front. The main thing is there's a single overhead cam EJ22T out of a 92 Legacy that I picked up. So I'm looking to put that on so my license plate doesn't make me a liar anymore. Yeah, see, this guy's trying to save his name right now. No, that's pretty sick though. I always wanted a custom plate, but this is definitely one of the best ones I've seen, and I'm surprised no one has it. You know what I mean? Lucked out, man. Maybe I'm pretty thrilled. So
yeah,
since it's technically a classic.
It is, yeah.
I think I snagged it before anybody else could, because it's a 95, and I guess there were only 2 years prior that somebody could have taken it.
Oh, that's true.
Oh yeah, and that is a carbon fiber hood. It's just painted, so.
And kind of, I don't know if it really shows up. Not bad. Oh, well, earlier you could see it from this angle, but this is a carbon fiber hood. He has these hood latch pin things. That's not stock, right? That come?
The pins?
Yeah.
Nah, that's more of a safety thing. Just because, like, so it's a single weave over a, a carbon weave over a fiberglass underbody, I guess.
Yeah.
So, like.
Oh.
Don't mind that.
Whoa.
So,
whoops.
So like you can see the fiberglass here.
Yeah.
And then it's like one weave over it, which means it's not very like structurally sound.
Oh, so it could like fly open.
Yeah.
Maybe.
So when you're driving, you can actually see the hood like flex.
Oh well, that's kind of scary.
Yeah. So I'm like, all right, stay put.
That's not a racer. This is actually functional stuff.
Yeah. So I autocrossed this car with like the local SCCA group.
Okay.
So, but again, because it's 110 horsepower, it's not exactly the fastest thing there.
Dude, I think this car is probably faster than that piece of crap over there. Not gonna lie. We should test this somewhere. You know any back roads you could rage on? I'm always scared because my car, like, the aero is so low that if I like take a turn the wrong way, might break something. I think it needs. Leave a comment down below if this man should get T37s. You can put that on any wheel you want, man, or any car you want.
They do go on everything. It's like the RPF one.
That's too basic, though, man. You can't do RPF ones. Oh yeah, he's gonna get a wing soon, so you guys are wondering where that's
Spoiler's
at.
being painted as of this morning.
Yeah.
The base coat's drying and then I'll clear it.
Hit this guy up for custom paint work.
I wouldn't.
You heard it here first on this channel. My friend Andy behind me and his Impreza, and we're just gonna, you know, just go on a casual cruise on some back roads, kinda, nothing crazy. I just really wanted to test out this GoPro and just go for a nice drive. It does kind of suck that, you know, the sun goes down so quick. You know, by the time I get home from work at 6, it's, you know, it's pretty much dark. So kind of lives me on when I can film, but at least we can get some driving in if I don't already do enough of that. Alright, so you guys can see we just finished that little back road run, and forgot there was a big dip in the one road, and I ended up scraping the crap out of my freshly painted front lip, but looks like there's no visible damages, don't you think?
It's good for now.
Well, anyway guys, I wanted to show you guys, this is my best friend Andy's car. He got the same car. This man was stock for like the longest time, but now he has some new Avid 1 wheels. He has my old coilovers actually. So if you guys remember, I had the Tane Street Basis Z, and you know, now this man has them. And I think he should go lower, but for some reason he doesn't want to do that.
Not about that stance, like.
Everyone in the comments, go tell this guy he needs to drop this all the way. You guys saw my stuff before; it was fully maxed out. I don't know this. How much height do you have left on it?
Good amount.
Good amount. Like how many inches do you think?
It's like that much.
That much.
That's
Yeah.
all bottoms out.
So yeah, comments down below. This is too high. Fun fact though is this was actually the first kind of setup I wanted. Same wheels too. I wanted the Avid ones, and then the 17 by, I wanted the same by 8. Then I ended up getting the Bordeaux ones. Remember that? Like I photoshopped these.
Oh yeah.
But well, you have what, 235, 55?
Yeah, 235, 45.
Oh, 45.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So if you guys are wondering what 17s look like on this car, this is kind of what it goes. It's not that bad. I mean, you get thicker sidewall than if you had an 18, but it's really not that bad. I thought it would be like a lot thicker. Yes. But then I thought like the pictures make it look huge, but it's actually not that bad. And he was rubbing for a while. This is what, 35 also?
Yeah, 35.
35. Yeah, so get an idea of the poke. Of course, you get natural camber in the rears when you lower these cars. But you were rubbing the rear for a while, right? Like that was like the main, the main problem.
Roll and pull and yeah, it's all gone.
See, this guy did a pretty good job. All my fenders are pretty messed up if you look too close, but got the Michi lugs on there too. I think this guy needs a Brembo kit though. It's kind of empty.
Yep, the brown.
It's a little empty in there. Should let this guy know what he needs to do next to this thing. I'm saying he should get the power blocks, but he doesn't believe that does anything. Probably need some side skirts too. Side skirts are make the biggest difference, like when I did on my car. But yeah, it's a long time coming for sure. How long you had this car for?
4 years, I believe.
4 years already?
Yeah.
How many miles you got now?
35.
Dude, really?
That's pretty low.
Oh wait, we got your car. You got your car like a year after me then.
Yeah, but I didn't travel like far like yours.
I'm at 80,000, almost 81. So what else you got done to this thing besides what I mentioned earlier?
Pretty much the exhaust, the NVIDIA N1, just from a 08 to a 14 WRX. The sedan one, it just slaps right on.
2.5 inch one, right?
Yep. Didn't want to go 3 inches, wanted to save my eardrums.
What else you got, man? I see you got this
That protection.
protection.
Straight from the 15 WRX.
What else you got, man? Is that it?
Yeah, pretty much. Other than the little shark fin.
Shark fin. Yeah, so a lot of 15 parts fit this car. You guys never got the idea already. You got the mud flaps too. You still got those on. Facing our lip and the amber and the grill, the horns.
Yeah, pretty much.
It's not bad, I guess.
Everything else is style.
I think this got changed. So.
It's gotta go.
Yeah, I think it's gotta go. So I'm just gonna take some photos now of my car, Andy's car in here. I think it's a nice opportunity. This guy's always working, so I really don't see him that much anymore. So I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Thank you for watching. KATANA Style Series 2 is coming out. By the time this video is up, give it a couple days and the store should be open. Follow us on KATANA Style to get more updates on when the store is open with our new products. Here's one of them. I got the Driven Spirit Japanese box logo. One of my favorite ones I did. It's just nice and simple. Kind of stands out in the front if you look at it. You know, I think it's pretty cool. But yeah, not gonna lie, it feels kind of weird for me to hold the camera out like this. I'm so used to filming in my garage, so trying to get used to this. But anyway, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Follow me on Instagram with KGFX. KATANA Style Series 2. It's finally here. I got all the products. I have the jet tags as well, so keep an eye out for that. Follow us on Instagram, katana.style. It should be open here soon. I did close the store just so I can set up all the products and laying things out, all that fun stuff. But follow us on Instagram, katana.style for more updates, and yeah, see you guys in the next video.